Be it contact management or the daily sales process, your Livespace CRM still skips some of the heavy lifting without KrispCall. And Livespace integration in KrispCall completes that extra load in just clicks. Syncing contacts as you create them, logging call activities, SMS, notes, tags, and recordings on the go. Even making calls and sending SMS within CRM without switching to the phone. Here's how you can set it up step by step. Simply log in to your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, search for Livespace, and click Connect. A pop-up will ask for your Livespace details, so head over to your Livespace account. Now, click on your profile, go to Account Settings, then to API at the bottom. From here, copy the API key, API secret, and the domain from your browser. Enter them on KrispCall and click Connect Now. Once the integration is successful, customize its settings as you need. In General Settings, enable or disable data sync preferences for contacts and notes. Then, in Workflow Settings, select specific or all log activities to be synced. Next, in the connected number, add one or more numbers in calls and SMS to be used for integration. After the configuration, you're ready to create contacts that sync. Import your contacts in KrispCall, then go and check it on Livespace. It's auto-updated without duplication. Update or add any contacts here, and they sync both ways. Now, prepare to make effortless sales calls directly from Livespace. But first, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then, beside a number, click on the KrispCall icon and select the call option. As the dialer opens, drop your sales pitch and win your deals. During calls, even add notes and sync them along with log details and recordings under specific contacts. Sending SMS is the same. After clicking on the KrispCall icon, just choose the SMS option, then in the dialer type your message and send. The SMS immediately syncs along with its responses directly in the CRM. And don't worry about missed calls either. Voicemail recordings sync as links for you to listen to and plan calls without losing context. KrispCall integration with Livespace removes manual, repetitive work and saves hours. So your sales team can stay focused on what matters most: winning those deals. Don't wait. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate Livespace today.